Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and Sendlane. So the use case here is, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically create subscriber in Sendlane. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas Sendlane is an email marketing software. Although Shopify and Sendlane have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Shopify to Sendlane. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down. And here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify Integrations. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in Choose App first, I am going to choose Shopify here. Okay. Now according to our workflow, new customer created in Shopify will be our trigger event over here. New customer created. This one, new customer. So when you click on trigger event, you might have seen that we have various trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to explain? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when new customer is created will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see a term called webhook URL. Now you again might be confused. Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify in our case. So you can read the instructions carefully and you can just follow them. So I am going to copy my webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Shopify account. So this is a dashboard of my Shopify account, and now I'll go to my settings over here. And here you can see notifications. So I'm going to click on notifications. Okay, so now I'll just scroll down. And when I go down, here you can see this term called webhooks. So we are going to create a webhook over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so the event here is, according to our workflow, we are creating a new customer. That is why our event will be customer creation. So you can see customer creation is over here. So I'm going to click on it. So our event is going to be customer creation. Format will be JSON URL. So here you have to paste the URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. That is this one. So I'll just paste it over here. Webhook API version will be 2020-10 latest. Now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, we have successfully saved our webhook over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and now it is time to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now whenever a new customer will be created in Shopify, Pabbly Connect will capture the information. So now it is time to go and create a new customer in Shopify. So now I'll go to my Shopify account and here you can see online store. So I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so this is our store of Shopify. Now here you can see this icon over here. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, we are going to create account. That means we are going to create a new customer's account. Okay, so first name I am going to put John, last name Markle, mobile number, okay, email johnmarkle@gmail.com. Okay, password, I'll just create a password. Okay, now I'm going to create an account for this new customer. Okay, we have successfully created a new customer by creating a new account in Shopify. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the response. The customer ID is here. The email is here. If you go down, you can see the created time, updated first name, last name. Okay, you can see the phone number is also here. If you go down here, you can see the currency. Okay, so now we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now we are going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate SendLane and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here and we are going to add an action step. So here in choose app first, I am going to choose SendLane. Okay. And now in action event according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to create a subscriber in SendLane. That is why create subscriber will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have one more action event available. You can select this option if you want according to your workflow. And if you want any other action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I'm going to click on create subscriber because this is our action event. And now we are going to click on connect with SendLane. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. So here you have an option of either creating a new credential or you can just select any existing credentials if you have already worked with this software application. So here I don't have any existing credentials, so I'm just going to click on new credentials. So now under new credentials here you can see it is asking us for the API key and API hash key. So in order to get these two keys, what you have to do is the instruction is written clearly over here. Log into your SendLane account. You can get API key and API hash key by navigating to API. So I've already logged into my SendLane account. This is the dashboard of my SendLane account. Here in left hand side, I'm going to click on my settings and you can see this API option over here. I'll just click on it. Okay, so now here you can see we have an API key, we have the API hash key. So if you want, you can also regenerate these credentials by clicking on this button over here. Now I'm just going to copy this API key from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste it over here. And I'll go back. So now I'm going to copy the API hash key from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. So now this API key and API hash key are going to help us to build a connection between SendLane and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now here you can see we have these empty fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So we are just going to map the details from our webhook response. Okay, so first is list. So you might have created some list in your SendLane account and if you have not created, you can easily create it. So here you can see I only have one list. That is why it is getting displayed over here. I'll go back to my SendLane account and here you can see lists. So here I only have one list. That is why here you can see I only have one option. If you want, you can also create a new list. So I'm going to create a new list over here. Name is going to be Shopify customer and I'll just create it. Okay, so I have created a new list called Shopify customer over here. So I want my subscriber to be saved under this list. So now I'll just refresh this once. And here you can see we have Shopify customer. Okay. Email address. So here I am going to map the email address that we got from our webhook response. First name, John. Last name is here Markle. Phone, if you want, you can just add your phone number. I'll just add it over here. Custom field. If you want, you can also add an additional custom information other than name and email address. You can just add the information over here. Now here tag, if you want, you can also add a specific tag to your subscriber. If I go back to my SendLane account, here you can see tags option. So here I don't have any tag created. So I'll create a new tag over here. Customer from Shopify. Okay, so I've created this tag. Now I'm just going to refresh this and you can see it has already captured the tag. So if I create more than one tag, then all these options will be displayed. So now I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so now we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration. Now you can see opt-in confirmation email sent. That means a confirmation email has been sent to this email ID of this customer from Shopify. As soon as this person confirms the email, automatically the person will be added as subscribers in SendLane. Okay, so I've already confirmed the email that was sent to the customer's email. Now I'll go back to SendLane and let's check if we have got a new subscriber here or not. Okay, so now I'll go to my lists over here. So this was the list that we created. I'll just open it. Okay, so you can see John Markle is over here with the email. You can see the date added and you can see the actions over here. So we have successfully added a new subscriber when a new customer was created in Shopify. So now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Shopify store and I'm going to log out the previous account. Okay, and now I'm going to create a new account for the new customer. Okay, so the first name is going to be Gary, last name Monroe, mobile number, okay, email garymonroe677@gmail.com, password, create. Okay, so we have successfully created a new account for our new customer. So first, now what I'm going to do is I'll first confirm the email and then we'll go and check in the SendLane account. So first I'll go to my email. So here you can see confirm your sign up to Shopify customer. Okay, so here you can see confirm your subscription. So first I'm going to confirm this subscription. Okay, you have successfully been subscribed. Okay, so now I'll go back to my SendLane account and now we are going to check if we have got a new subscriber here or not. I'll just refresh this page once. Okay, so you can see Gary Monroe is over here, email is over here, and you can see the date added. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically a new subscriber will be added here in SendLane. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to SendLane. So now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically a new subscriber will be created in SendLane. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and SendLane using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.